All right, welcome everyone. For those of you who do not know me, Crypto Conan, and I've been covering this Debtbox asset for a while now. And when I did start, I was just watching this move up and saw some bear signs up here. So I did call the gigatop here, and I did call for this retrace down into the $12 to $7 zone. So right now, Debtbox did have this great move back up, and on a weekly time frame, we have had a bullish cross for 20 crossing our 50. Now we're going to go to a daily time scale. On these same moving averages, we have our 20, 100, our 50, and our 20. Bullish crosses everywhere. Currently, we've just been checking back between our 50 and currently holding our 20, which looks great. I'm going to now turn these moving averages off just so it doesn't clutter up my chart so much. I'm going to unmask my technical analysis. Okay, first thing I want you to notice is this value area trading range. This takes a Debtbox movement and its total volume. We have what's called a value area low, point of control, value area high. Well, currently you can see how, this first point of resistance, we had a battle with that value area high. And this is a failed auction to hold it and swing down. Now, to my surprise, usually when you gain acceptance back, it means you'll test one of these 2 points again. But we're acting very strong, and we did reclaim the value area high. So now with this current move up that we're in, we are in this old trading range as I speak. So we have a value area low, point of control, value area high. Right now, as I speak, we are approaching the point of control. So you'll be met with some resistance there, and that comes in at $23.38. Whenever I'm doing my technical analysis, I look for a lot of confluence, and that helps me have target levels. So what I'm seeing right now is this Fibonacci pole from the 0 clear up to the 4236, which I'll show you in a bit, is played out very nicely. You can see when we did break the 100%, we had a perfect retest back down, and that's when we bounced. So this value area high and the 1618, that's some pretty good confluence. Even though they're a little bit off, you can see the wicks did come up and touch that 1618 previously. So at this point, I see this as a very obvious level to be taken, coming in at $25. Now, I do want to emphasize this is a key level for resistance or to be broke. And if we do break this and hold it with some bullish momentum, and I'm talking daily, weekly candles closing above this level, you don't want to see a wick up and then a swing failure back down. And with a successful close above 25 and we're holding that, you're going to be very happy because this area right here is offering little resistance as that is a single print. So usually previously, if you have easy price movement down, you'll have easy price movement back up. And then we'll be meeting this trading range up in our highs. Same thing again, value area low, point of control, value area high. Once again, I'm really liking the confluence of this value area high and coming in with our Fibonacci pull at the 2618, coming in at $38.48. Now for the fun part, hypothetical overtaking this 2618 and conquering the $38 zone. These are upper targets into the 3618 and the 4236, coming in at just under $52. And then once again up into the $60 region. Just to reiterate, this is the critical zone, $25. And if we do break this and I see some bullish momentum, I will be making another video to tell you so and to be vocal about what I'm currently seeing. Now, adversely, if you're secretly rooting for a pullback because you want to buy more token, these are the levels that you may want to look for. Now, pullback from this level, hypothetically from the point of control, if we fail to get past this, and we do pull back, you can see the confluence already formed of the reverse Fibonacci pull of 236 right there and down to the 382 at this point. Now a pullback could occur, and if we fail to hold this 382, these single prints are in danger of being reclaimed, retracing clear back into the 618 to the 702. And I do see a hypothetical potential bounce off this point of control, off the grand value area range. Now that might sound a little doomy, but not all is lost, because if that were to occur, you'd be printing this beautiful crab pattern that does put us back up into that high range of our grand Fibonacci pull upper targets. Now keep in mind, this is my max pullback scenario while keeping a bullish structure. we could just simply retrace back into these areas, into these Fibonacci poles. And just to let you know, to be vocal at this moment, as we do make our way back up, we are flashing bearish divergence, meaning we're putting in higher highs, yet we're putting at lower lows on our RSI on both the daily and the weekly time frame. But all right, that'll wrap this up. You know what to look for. I will keep you updated